Hello everyone and welcome back to Relearning. In the previous video we have studied about pronouns. In this video also we are going to continue the same topic, that is pronouns. So this video is going to be the part second of the topic, that is pronouns. Let's begin. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. There are 7 types of pronoun. Those are personal, reflexive, relative, demonstrative, indefinite, interrogative and possessive. In the previous video we have studied personal, reflective and relative. In this video we are going to study demonstrative, indefinite, interrogative and possessive. Let's start with the first, that is demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun. The pronoun which is used to put point to particular person or thing which can be nearby is a demonstrative pronoun. It takes the place of a noun that already been mentioned. Demonstrative pronouns can also function as demonstrative adjectives. Now singular demonstrative pronouns are this, that, such, none, neither, and plural will be these and those. Now here is the chart of demonstrative pronoun which is referring to things that are nearby. Singular will be this and plural will be these. Let's see the examples. This is my bike, and second example is none of these answers are correct. Let's see the next one. The demonstrative pronouns that refers to the things that are far away. In the singular form we use that, while in plural we use those. Let's see the examples. That is my bag, and the second example is those are my shoes. Now next is indefinite pronoun. The pronoun refers to an indefinite or general person, thing which doesn't need to be specifically identified. This pronoun doesn't point to particular noun such as anybody, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, little, much, nobody, no one, nothing, some, somebody, someone, something, both, few, several, all, any, more, most and none. Now here all the indefinite pronouns are being covered. Let's see the chart. Indefinite pronoun, these refer to something that is unspecified. Now in that singular will be anybody, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, nobody, nothing, somebody, someone and something. Now in plural form we can use both, few, several or more. Now some of the words which are being used as a singular as well as plural are all, some, any, most, none and such. Now examples: almost all the money has been spent, somebody forgot to bring the map, nobody attended the meeting, many of them were injured, everyone is smiling. These all are the examples of the indefinite pronoun. Next is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun used to ask the question. It is the same form of relative pronoun but they ask questions. Now compound interrogative pronouns like those which are ending in ever are used to express surprise, confusion and irritation or anything. Then such as what, which, who, whom, whose, whatever, whichever, whoever and whomever. Let's see the chart. Interrogative pronoun: what, which, who, whom and whose. Let's see the examples. Whose is this dress? Then who ate the last piece of the cake? Then which is your book? Let's see the next chart. That is about the compound interrogative pronoun. Now compound interrogative pronouns like whatever, whichever, whoever and whomever. Let's see the examples. Whoever came to the shop. Next example, whichever came first. Let's see the next pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. The pronoun which points towards the owner of something is called possessive pronoun. In other words, possessive is ownership. Possessive determiners always come before a noun while independent. Possessive determiners can stand alone, such as her, his, its, mine, ours, theirs and yours. Let's see the chart. Possessive pronoun which is being used before the nouns. In that singular form we can use my, your, his, her and its. While in plural form we can use our, your and their. Let's see the examples. The ring is hers. That food is ours. That is my bag. Okay, let's see the next one, that is possessive pronoun when used alone. In that singular form we can use mine, yours, hers and his, while in plural form we can use ours, yours and theirs. Let's see the examples. The dog is mine. Let's see the next example. The cat is yours. Getting it? So this was the part second of the topic, that is pronouns. I hope that you have enjoyed the topic very nicely and learned about the pronouns and types of pronoun. If you have enjoyed the topic, do hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. Share the channel with your friends. Share the videos with your friends. This is Swapnil signing off. Thank you.